Do you want to stay healthy for a long time? If yes, then we need to have balanced nutrition in our diet. Balanced nutrition is combination of all the nutrients required for our body on day-to-day basis. Very important nutrition among that is protein. Yes, protein acts as building blocks in our body, which provides energy and helps in repairing and maintenance of cells and tissues. If we have deficiency of proteins in our body, then our body can suffer with many types of diseases and disorders. Presenting well all plant protein powder, wherein we have extracted proteins from three different sources, which is 100% vegetarian, and in one serving, we get 84% of high quality protein. Well, all plant protein powder is loaded with all the 9 essential amino acids which is required for our body. And the PDCA score of this product is 1.0. Well, all plant protein powder is cholesterol free, fat free, lactose free, and also neutral in taste. Hence, we can use this protein powder in making any kind of preparations like milk, juice, water, roti, sweets, etc. And it will not lose its nutrition value even though if you boil it and use it. So stay healthy and stay energetic with all plant protein powder. The consumption of this product is also very simple. You can minimum consume 1 time in a day or maximum you can take 3 times in a day.